Pourquoi des personnes des 4 coins du monde se rassemblent pour découvrir cette opportunité commerciale mondiale? Car, aussi vrai que le soleil se lève, ils savent qu'il existe 1,5 milliard de personnes qui se lèveront avec des maux chroniques. Alors que des milliards d'autres éprouveront des maux récurrents comme mal à la tête, des blessures ou des crampes. Et aussi vrai que le soleil se couche, des milliards d'hommes et de femmes chercheront à se souvenir du moment précis auquel ils ont commencé à se sentir et avoir l'air plus vieux. Et ils se demanderont s'ils peuvent faire quelque chose pour y remédier. Et tous les jours, partout dans le monde, alors que le soleil se lève et qu'il se couche, des milliards de familles se réveillent et s'endorment dans la difficulté financière. Une douleur si réelle qu'elle détruit des familles. Pourtant, à travers le monde, des personnes découvrent une compagnie avec un produit qui offre une solution simple. Il s'agit d'un dispositif médical de classe 1 listé à la FDA que l'on appelle Power Strips. Ils offrent un soulagement aux maux et une amélioration de l'aspect de la peau. Les gens de tous les horizons découvrent les avantages des Power Strips et la liberté financière qui peut découler de cette puissante opportunité. Et le marché boursier le prouve lui-même. Développé par un scientifique réputé et issu d'une université prestigieuse, ce produit breveté est présenté en exclusivité par FG Express, la nouvelle division d'une société cotée en bourse depuis 10 ans qui vous permet de changer votre avenir financier en devenant un partenaire de notre opportunité mondiale partout sur la planète. Ce dispositif médical de classe 1 est envoyé dans une belle carte de vœux vers n'importe quelle boîte aux lettres de la planète. Et lorsque des Power Strips sont envoyés à l'un des membres de votre équipe ou à l'un de vos clients, vous gagnez de l'argent. Écoutons les utilisateurs des Power Strips.
I was asked by my friend to go play a game of hockey, and I'd only skated once in my life, and I was warned not to even go out on the ice. But I thought, what's the worst thing that can happen? You know, my butt will hurt the next day, I could fall a lot. And I thought, you know, I'll make a lot of people laugh. This will be a lot of fun.
I am a 58-year-old, in great shape person. Health has been a key part of my life for a very long period of time. And about 3 weeks ago, I severely damaged my right knee.
I broke my leg in 3 places. I have 8 pins in my ankle now. But I wake up every day with stiffness and pain.
I could not absolutely walk from the bathroom to the bedroom. I mean, the pain was just so excruciatingly hurtful that you really couldn't even blow on the knee. I'm going to tell you, it was amazing. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
I've had ongoing pain in the left side of my neck. It made sleeping very uncomfortable, not continuous hours of sleep at night usually, a lot of tossing and turning with my pillows, radiating pain from the ball of my spine, I believe, out through the other parts of my back.
You know, when you're in pain, you know, the only thing you want is relief. Muscle pain or a strain, all you want is relief. And you'll do almost anything for relief.
Pain is an insidious process. It affects every aspect of your life. The quality of your sleep suffers. All the activities you do during the day suffer, from work to your leisure activities to the time you spend with your children. It changes the way you see the world. It begins to change your personality. And those who care most about you, the people around you, your family, your friends, they are impacted dramatically.
When Rick Basil contacted me and he said, you know, I think you should try these Power Strips because they're all natural, they're not a pill, they're not a prescription, and I think they can give you relief. And I said, I'm in. So I put it on that night, I put it right on my scar, and when I woke up the next morning, I can't even express to you how excited I was. I woke up and I went, oh my gosh, I don't have any more stiffness. It's gone. The pain relief was absolutely amazing in one day.
When I got the Power Strips, I put them on my legs, right above my knees. Within 1 hour, I was pain-free. Now, I've lived with this for 8 to 10 years. It hurts going up and down stairs just day to day. I can't function the way I'd like to. Within an hour of taking this, the pain being gone, I actually ran upstairs when my wife called me, and it dawned on me there was no pain.
And I placed the strip on my knee. I'm watching TV, and again, I don't know exactly when the pain subsided, because it wasn't like an abrupt type situation. It was very, it was very casual. And I noticed that for once, within 2 weeks, there was no pain. Talk about being a miraculous situation. I was totally blown away.
I placed a power strip, the first one, on the actual pain, and the first day I felt some relief. I wasn't real certain if it was a power strip or I was just lucky that day. However, I decided to put it on where I believe the pain originated from, which was on that ball on my spine, the second patch, which would be the third day. And the relief I felt at that point over that next 24-hour period was phenomenal. And as you can see, this wasn't even what I put the patch on for, but I can do this now. I'm happy. The patch works. My pain is gone.
And when you look at this pain epidemic worldwide, 1.5 billion people suffer from pain on a daily basis.
Vous venez d'entendre parler des Power Strips et de ses effets régénérateurs remarquables. Et le monde entendra bientôt parler de ses avantages inédits pour une peau jeune et saine. Des centaines de milliards de dollars sont consacrés chaque année au traitement de la douleur et aux soins de la peau. FG Express vous place au centre de cette opportunité financière unique, avec un produit unique, un prix unique de $60 US, $4,95 de frais d'envoi vers n'importe quelle destination.